Microsoft analyzed 200,000 real conversations between humans and AI, and what they found will completely change how you think about your career as a programmer. They discovered which jobs AI struggles to replace, and more importantly, why some human tasks will always remain human. If you are a programmer wondering how to stay relevant in the age of AI, this research has some surprising answers. Let me start with the 5 jobs that are at least risk from AI: dishwashers, roofers, nursing assistants, truck drivers, and massage therapists. You might be thinking, that's great. But I did not spend years to learn coding just to become a dishwasher. And you are absolutely right. But there is nothing wrong in being a dishwasher. Ever since I got married, I am a full-time dishwasher myself. Anyway, here is where things get interesting. The reasons why these 5 jobs cannot be replaced by AI tells us exactly what we need to focus on as a programmer to bulletproof our career. The Microsoft researchers created something they called an AI applicability score for every occupation. This score measures whether AI can successfully complete the work activities that make up each job. And the patterns they found are fascinating. The jobs that AI struggles with fall into 3 categories: physical work that requires manual dexterity, tasks that need real human interaction and empathy, and the work that needs creative problem solving in unpredictable environments. But before we dive into what this means for programmers, let me tell you about the most surprising finding from this research. This research found that there are actually 2 different ways AI can impact your work. AI can either perform whole tasks for you, or it can assist you with tasks. When AI performs a task, it's doing the entire work instead of you. When AI assists with a task, it's helping you do the work better or faster. The researchers found that in 40% of the conversations, these 2 categories were completely different. In other words, the tasks that AI can perform for you are usually not the same as the tasks that it can assist you with. This finding revealed something interesting about the future of work. AI is not just about automation versus augmentation. It's about understanding which of your tasks can be fully performed by AI and which can be assisted by AI. And more importantly, which tasks remain uniquely human. So what does this mean for you as a programmer? The research shows that AI excels at 3 specific areas: information gathering, basic writing, and providing explanations. These are exactly the kind of tasks that junior developers spend their time on: reading documentation, writing simple code snippets, and explaining basic technical concepts. If you are spending most of your time in these activities, you are in the danger zone. Not because AI will replace you tomorrow, but because these tasks will become commoditized. The value you provide will decrease over time. And this applies to beyond just code. Think about how much time developers spend setting up backend infrastructure, configuring databases, and wiring together an authentication system. That's exactly the kind of commoditized work you should stop doing manually. That's where Supabase comes in, and they are sponsoring today's video. Supabase is a full backend with Postgres database, auth, and real-time subscriptions. Their Python SDK makes it very easy to plug into whatever you are building, whether it's a web app or an AI agent that needs to store and retrieve data on its own. They also have a built-in vector database through pgvector and a Python client called Vex. So if you are building anything with embeddings or RAG, that's already there in the same Postgres instance. The platform is secure and the performance is reliable. Supabase is free to start. Link is in the description. Let's continue with the video. The researchers found that AI struggles significantly with visual design and data analysis that requires interpretation. Think of things like understanding user needs, creating intuitive interfaces, and making sense of complex data patterns. These are higher order thinking skills that require creativity and human judgment. Here is where it gets really interesting for programmers. The researchers found that AI has a much harder time performing tasks rather than assisting with them. In technical terms, AI had consistently lower impact scope when performing tasks directly compared to helping humans with same tasks. This means that future is not about AI replacing programmers. It's about programmers who know how to use AI replacing those who don't. Let me give you a concrete example. AI can write basic code snippets really well. That is AI performing a task. But AI struggles to architect complex systems, understand business requirements, and make technology decisions that balance performance, maintainability, and scalability. Having said that, AI can assist you with these higher level tasks by helping you research solutions, generate documentations, and explore different approaches. The Microsoft research also revealed another crucial insight. The occupations with highest AI applicability score were the knowledge work positions. Think of jobs like computer and mathematical roles, office support, and sales. But here is the twist. These jobs scored high not because AI can replace them entirely, but because significant portions of their current work activities can be automated or assisted. This creates an opportunity for programmers who understand this shift. As the routine coding tasks become automated, the premium will be on programmers who focus on the parts that remain uniquely human: system design, user experience thinking, business problem solving, and cross-functional collaboration. The research also found that AI works the best as a coach, advisor, or teacher rather than a direct replacement. This tells us something important about how to structure our relationship with AI tools. Instead of seeing AI as a competition, start seeing AI as the best junior developer you have ever worked with, one that never gets tired, never complains, and can help you with routine tasks so you can focus on the complex problems that require human judgment and creativity. But there is another lesson hidden in this research that most programmers miss. The jobs that scored the lowest on the AI applicability scale all require physical presence, manual dexterity, or direct human interaction. The massage therapist needs to physically touch clients. The roofer needs to work with materials in unpredictable weather conditions. The nursing assistant needs to provide emotional support to patients. What is the programming equivalent of these human elements? It's the soft skills that most developers overlook. Understanding user needs through direct conversations, leading technical discussions where you need to read the room and adjust your communication style, making architectural decisions that consider not just technical factors, but also team dynamics, business constraints, and future maintainability. These are exactly the kind of activities that distinguish senior developers from junior ones. Here is how to apply this research in your career. First, embrace AI tools but focus on becoming the human in the loop. Don't just learn to prompt AI effectively. Learn to verify, critique, and improve AI-generated solutions. The most valuable programmers will be those who can quickly iterate with AI while maintaining high standards of code quality, security, and maintainability. Second, develop your visual and user experience skills. As we already discussed, AI does not perform well on these tasks. As a programmer, this means investing time in understanding design principles, user psychology, and interface design. The future premium will be on developers who can bridge the gap between technical implementation and user experience. Third, focus on complex problem solving that requires understanding business context. AI can write code, but it does not understand why that code matters to the business. It cannot navigate the trade-offs between the technical debt and shipping quickly. It can't make decisions about when to refactor and when to build new features. The bottom line from Microsoft's research is clear. AI is not going to replace programmers anytime soon, but it will change what programmers do and which skills are more valuable. The future does not belong to programmers who can write the most code. It belongs to those who can solve the most important problems. And according to Microsoft's research, those problems will always require unique human skills. My name is Sahil, and I'll see you in the next one.